session being recorded. I guess there is a window where you have to agree with the recording. And yeah, so go ahead, Sol. Thank you.
I'm not sure where you want me to start, but basically this is the main website. And you create an account, or that's how I started.
Yeah, maybe what you can start with is show the end results. I already showed it to Yaroslav and Dima a while ago, and they were fascinated because it's really amazing. And then you will show us, after you lead us through this website you created, then you will show us like under the hood how exactly it was created, okay?
Okay. So this is the final, I guess, product. It only has 3 tabs, and just basically my basic info. And it has links to my resume, LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter. Maybe I should go Twitter. And then it has, the projects that I worked on, and the last one is the contact form.
And the contact form actually works, right? You checked it
Yes,
out and it does work.
it does work.
Nice. So to create your website, you used a tool called Wix. It's a company founded in Israel, as far as I know. It's an Israeli startup. I don't know exactly which year it was launched, but probably a few years back. And there are plenty of website tools like this one, but Sol picked this one and found it relatively easy to work with, right, Sol?
Yes. It's
So go ahead.
no, it's easier than I was using Softer. I still haven't managed to I need to learn more about Softer, but this one I started first.
So tell us about the structure that you can create multiple websites, then drill down to one particular website and show us the structure of that one.
Okay. So this is the dashboard, and if you want to create, let's say, another website, then you would create a new site, and then from there you can choose a template, or if you want to do a blank page. But it's easier if you choose like a template, because it makes everything much easier, especially if you don't know how to configure some of the stuff.
When you were creating yours, which category did you choose? Portfolio, right?
Portfolio, yeah.
This one. So what is the next thing you are doing?
So I go to my dashboard, and it's right there. This one.
Can you rename it?
Says,
Can you rename? Let's call it Dima. Dima, if that's fine with you.
Yes, but my screen freeze.
Really?
Normal. It's
So yeah, we're devoting this one to you, Dima. We're calling it Dima.
That is so weird. For some reason, it's not letting me edit the. That's weird. But so I made a demo, website that we can.
Okay, yeah, let's look into the demo. Maybe there is some quota that you can create only this many projects with a free version. I don't know.
With the free account, yeah.
Maybe you reached your quota. Okay. But Dima, we're devoting this one to you. Dima just recently moved to live in another town.
Oh.
Sorry, my internet connection was broken.
So okay, this one you are showing to us, is this a copy of your main website you just created?
Yes, it's a copy because I didn't want to mess with the one that's published. So it's a copy of it, and the structure is just 3 pages.
And you can create a new page. Maybe let's create a page called Dima.
You want it to be general page?
Dima, which one do you like?
I don't know. Maybe projects.
Okay. Now you have to choose which view do you like, which template we're picking for you.
I think first basic.
This one?
Yes.
Let's call it Dima, right?
Should I move it probably to right there?
So immediately once we edit the page, it appeared now in the navigation menu and in the top. Yeah.
Yep.
Can you deploy, and then we will keep working and we'll deploy once again and again. Can you deploy it right now? What publish in this language? Yeah.
There it is.
So the page is here. Now what we need to do is change the pictures and maybe add some text, right?
Correct. Yes, you want to do this one?
So Dima, give us a couple names for your projects.
I don't know, maybe React Native app.
React Native app. Okay. This is, by the way, Sol, this is something that Dima is working on right now. It's React Native. It's not the React that you are using. It's React Native, which is more suited for mobile applications. React Native app, let's call it. Right, Dima? App?
Yes.
Okay.
And one more, and then we will remove the rest. Dima, would you give us yet another name?
I don't know. My website, I don't know.
My website, or maybe ProPlan?
Okay, we can use ProPlan.
Let's write ProPlan. It's one word, but the second P is also capital, ProPlan. Okay, so can we remove the rest of the projects?
Yes.
Manage items, maybe. What happens if you click manage items?
It should
the button.
Sorry, where?
On the left, right on just above this component, just above it. One button is change backgrounds, another is manage items. A little bit to the right. To the right.
To the right. Sorry.
Yeah. So there is this component project name, which is currently selected, right? And when you select a component, there is this button, manage items.
So that's the items one and I guess you can delete them from here.
Ah, okay, then let's delete all the rest of the items. Mhm.
No, I think that's it.
These are the two, like ProPlan, and where was the React Native app?
I think it got deleted.
Can you
I'll
rename this
rename it,
one? Yeah,
yeah.
rename this one, please. It's React Native app.
Okay.
Okay, so now maybe let's add some text for the first one and for the second one to describe in one sentence what is this project about and what Dima's role specifically was. Can we add a text?
Yep.
Okay, element, right? It's elements text.
Maybe this one.
Okay. Okay, so Dima, in a couple of words, please describe what is this project about and what did you do for this project?
Sorry, it's project. Actually, the critical path. It's like ProPlan. It's like web site. I don't know what
Web application?
Web application for critical path method. It's technique where you identify tasks that are necessary for some projects.
Web application for project and task management, let's call it. Project and task management for hotel opening projects. Right, Dima?
Yes, yes.
Maybe I suggest we don't mention critical path because we did not actually implement the critical path feature itself, but project and task management for hotel openings, that is indeed the case. For hotel openings, okay?
Okay.
For hotel openings. Now let's do a paragraph break and let's add a few words about, like 2 paragraph breaks, maybe, yeah, to leave one space. What Dima's role specifically was. You did the
I created UI components and added a Gantt chart.
Yeah, let's say created web components, added Gantt chart, and do you remember the name of that library?
It's a hard name. DX. One moment, I will.
Created web components, added, not edit, but added a Gantt chart. Added a Gantt chart.
How do you spell that?
Gantt. You have to know that word. Yeah, so it starts with a capital G, then A-N-T-T. Chart. It's another word. It's two words, Gantt chart.
Oh, it's 2 words? Okay.
Why do we have such a big space between these 2 lines? It's heading because it's not supposed to be heading, it's just simple paragraph. Edit Gantt chart, and now did you get the library, Dima?
Yes, I send it in chat. It's short DHTMLX library.
Can you take it? This library name DHTMLX, really?
Yes, yes.
DAH?
DHTMLX. Library.
Library.
Let's say from DHT MLX library. And then also a comma after the word components. Nice. So this is the first one. We did it. Let's do the same for the second project. Can you explain in a little bit more detail what this one is?
It's an app for booking hotels, and it's built by it's built with React Native. It's like open source JavaScript framework designed for building apps on multiple platforms like iOS and Android.
So
And,
can we call this project? It's a cross-platform mobile application.
Yes, yes.
Cross-platform mobile application. For hotel industry. It's 2 words, hotel industry. Comma, with features like, and then give me a couple of features, Dima.
Filtered by price, for example. I don't know, maybe.
Filtering what? Can you book a hotel?
Yes, yes.
Like booking a hotel. Features like booking a hotel. Filtering by price.
By brand name and.
Filtering by price, comma, by name. That's okay, I think. Yeah, that's okay for now. Booking a hotel, comma, filtering by price. And not my price, but by price. Yeah. I think
by my price.
And so this is what the project is about. Now, what's your role specifically, Dima, again? Creating web components?
It's also, yes, app component. Maybe.
Creating app components. App components. Okay, okay. And maybe the next thing we would want to do is to change pictures to something more relevant. How do you change pictures, Sol?
Okay, so you click on the image and then change image. And if you have your own, you can use your own, or sorry.
Or we can use anything we can find.
Wix has a library, so.
Let's put, it's like hotel. Let's put the word hotel. What do we get? Yeah, pick anything. Pro plan.
Maybe that, or.
Dima, any preference?
No, I don't have.
Okay.
We'll use this.
Okay. Hotel's desk. Yep.
There
And let's also change the second one to something else.
There's no React.
Yeah, maybe a mobile app. What happens if you say mobile app? And then pick anything.
Maybe this one I have.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's again publish it and let's see how it works in the browser. Dima. We go to Dima. So now, our tiles look good, but we have to work on the upper part, right?
Correct. And we gotta align.
And we also have to align this. Yeah, let's work with that. And once we've done that, then we will see how to add another section. And then we will see how it looks on mobile. Let's align them. Can we make the box on the left a little bit bigger? The one on the left.
Oh, you want to make this one bigger, or
Maybe, if we can, maybe. Can we?
Yeah.
Easily. Ah, no.
no?
Not really. Any ideas, guys?
Is it possible to use CSS here?
No. Maybe that fixed it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that fixed it. And now let's work on the upper part. What do we want here? A headline, I guess. This is the headline which describes Dima rather than projects. How would you, Yaroslav, let me ask for your input. If you had to use just one sentence or maybe a few words to describe Dima's professional positioning, what would you say?
The first what's coming to my mind, it's Dima's projects, maybe.
But how would you describe who Dima is? Because it's a portfolio, you have to also define yourself.
Yeah, web developer.
Web
projects.
developer.
Recent projects.
Web developer.
Recent projects?
Yeah, I would just say web developer. Remove the recent. We need to define who Dima is.
Okay. I would like to make it longer to test how it looks like.
But we can add more words. Web developer, experienced in web and native application development. How does that sound?
Yeah, sounds good.
Web and native application development.
Sorry, native application?
Application development.
Okay.
Maybe let's extend it a little bit or make a font smaller. We need to do something with the size, right?
Maybe smaller? Maybe like that?
Yeah. And then maybe center it vertically. I think you will just have to move it physically, move it to the center.
Okay.
Not horizontally, but vertically, right? Just move it a little bit below. And yeah, put it in the center. Yeah. Okay. So this is the headline for Dima, and those are two projects that Dima wants to showcase. Okay. Now let's publish it and let's see how it works on mobile.
On mobile, we have to edit the way it looks.
Let's
first.
do.
There you go. So,
yeah, there you go. So looks nice. It's not a lot of information, but it's already a good start. And of course, we don't have Dima's name here, but you can always add it if you want.
Yeah. For the mobile, so you switch over to mobile.
Okay.
And then from here, you just have to, like if you want to make it.
Any adjustments, right?
Yeah.
Like looks good so far. Let's scroll down a little bit.
Okay.
Let's scroll down. It's Pro Plan. Like Yaroslav, as a QA professional, what would you say looking at this? Can you go up all the way up again and let's keep scrolling to see whether this looks good or not. I don't see the menu actually, the navigation. Where is it?
It's
Yeah.
it shrinks down to the hamburger menu.
So what's your feedback, Yaroslav?
From my side, if we go from up to down, so yeah, it's good to change the color of the hamburger icon. Yeah, at the top right corner. So if you can change it to make it more contrast, it will be good. Yeah.
Maybe like a gray. Let's see how it looks.
Something happened. Where is the rest of the page? Close menu, maybe.
Yeah, close menu. There you go.
Yeah, but it is still dark.
I think it needs to be.
So can you click the design maybe?
Oh yeah, maybe it's here. No.
I think it has to do with the design, right?
Okay. Fill color, text. We're
text.
working with text, I would say. It's probably here. Font size, color.
Oh, there you go. You see it changing?
You just like pick anything and we need to test whether the hamburger actually changed its color or not.
I think it should be whiter, no?
It's okay, pick anything.
This one.
Pick white, just to see whether it's that change that we're expecting or not.
No.
Oh, it didn't work.
What if you click on the right, the settings, whilst you are in that hamburger? Go back to click on that hamburger. Close menu. Yeah, now you're here. Click on the settings, and what is behind those three dots? More actions. Change other scroll. What do you get if you click the settings whilst you are there? In the hamburger. Yeah, the settings here, header scroll.
Yeah,
it's just
the
animation.
I think we should click on burger and design. Yes, of this one. Yes,
design, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And here we have the customized design at the bottom of this. Yeah.
Customized design. Okay, let's try. Let's try it.
Fill color.
Yeah.
It worked now.
There you go. So maybe a little bit whiter.
What will be if we open menu?
Okay.
Edit menu, you mean, Dima, or what?
No, if we click open menu.
The open, yeah, here.
Yes. Okay, black. Okay.
So change it to.
Okay, nice.
No, we have white background, so we need some dark color. Yes, that's
okay. Okay, I get it. Yep.
Okay, now let's publish and let's see how it works now. Publish, yeah.
And we need to change back menu text color since we have only one. Now we see only one item menu.
How can we see, Yaroslav, how this page looks like on the mobile device?
Yeah, so doing it right now.
I don't see it.
You can change the appearance of this screen. So if you click on the second icon near the close, yeah, this
yeah.
one, or maybe next to this. Yeah, and here you can adjust the width.
Hmm. Yeah, it doesn't work.
You need to open emulator.
The way I test it is I use it on my phone because I forgot how to. I'm using a different browser. That's why.
Yaroslav, what are some other ways to test how the website looks like on on various mobile devices?
So you can test it in what is is it Safari?
Oh yeah, that's why. But you can see it here though on the preview.
Oh. Okay.
Do you see it?
Mm-hmm. So it's Wix allows to go to preview, and then you can preview how it looks like on the mobile device, right?
Yes.
Right. But Yaroslav, you are saying that every browser should also provide more possibilities to test it.
Yeah, sure. For me, it's hardly to recognize which browser is using right now.
What's this browser?
Oh, it's Safari.
Oh,
I
so
was gonna
okay,
use
so
yeah, go ahead.
yeah, in this case, you can press Command Control plus R, and you can switch to the mobile view mode. Command
Okay.
Control and R.
What? Control and what? I couldn't hear you.
Command Control R.
Command, Control, and what else? Alt?
Letter R. R.
R.
R.
Yeah, this.
Okay.
This is.
Nice. This is nice. Try to remember this, Sol, right? So this is a good tool for testing on a variety of devices. Wix only provides you with just one, right? One single whatever mobile.
Yeah, it's either
layout.
one. Yeah.
And this gives you 3 mobile sizes and then several more tablets, I guess, right? Nice.
Yes. I don't think. See, Wix only gives you 2 options. So
Only one desktop and one mobile. Yes.
Yeah, it's maybe it's best suitable for testing deployed production version of your website. Not in the I mean not in this mode, not in the preview mode. So if you're going to deploy your website, and if you're testing your production version, so it would fit best. Yeah.
So let's publish it. And let's see how the published version looks like in various devices in the browser, can we?
Yeah.
Like, does not look nice to me. What do you say, guys?
No.
Not at all.
But it's still desktop version. I think.
Yeah,
Right, right.
Desktop.
Are we now testing the desktop version on mobile devices?
If we can hover over the Safari iOS 16, so can you please hover? No. To the right, to the triangle with icon triangle angle. Yeah, here. So if no, triangle icon.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you click on it, does it show something?
No, it's not. It's not clickable.
Okay. So could you kindly please refresh the page in this mode?
Refresh.
Yeah, just refresh. So yes, this is a true mobile view in Safari browser now.
You mean this is how it will look like on a mobile device in reality, right?
Yeah, it's more. Yeah.
I can pull it up on my phone. It actually looks okay. I mean, it looks how it's supposed to look on my phone.
Did you open the demo page? We're
Yeah.
specifically testing this demo page. Does it look differently on your phone from what we're seeing here on the screen?
Yes.
Hmm.
So it looks like, I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Mhm.
Looks like, yeah.
We're seeing actually mobile page, but on the screen we see the desktop page rather, right?
Yeah.
I think browser don't give
Could-
us like actual view. I don't know.
Yeah, it could be the browser, or Wix maybe doesn't allow. I have no, maybe it could be Wix too.
So I suggest that you take this as a homework, Saul, and you check it out later, try to understand why this is the case, that it does look okay on your actual mobile phone, but when you are testing it through the browser,
I know
it's like,
how it fits in real site, but I don't know how it fits in with Wix. It's just need to add a meta tag with viewport, and that allow you.
Yeah, I know, like with coding, like I know how to fix it, but with Wix, it's like you have to learn, like kind of like where everything is.
so let's go back to Wix. Let's switch to the editor, Wix editor. Just close this congratulations window, close this window, and yeah, let's go back to editor.
Okay.
So this is the mobile view. Is it how it looks like on your mobile phone?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks nice to me. The only thing, if you scroll down a little bit, there is this white space.
Right here.
That's, yeah, I think it's a little bit like weird. What do you
Yeah,
say?
that's fixable.
How
Let
do
me
you
have
fix it? I would just move some fields up, but is there another way to fix it?
Yes, it's so you basically have to move everything a little bit up. No, that's not it.
Mm-mm.
Like you have to move the entire thing up.
I suggest you do undo first because you
Yeah.
already broke something. Uh-huh.
That's the thing with Wix. You have to move like one thing at a time. Oh,
Yeah.
there you go. Maybe. No. No, it's moving everything.
Now undo, please.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Nope, still doing it.
So I think if you click right above the React Native app, above.
Right here?
Yeah. Container.
Because this is in
Yeah.
the container.
Is there a border between these two containers?
Yeah, it's two containers.
Can you now drag this one and make it smaller? Yeah, this is how you do it, right?
Yeah, that's a good way. There's like many ways to fix it.
Let's now publish and let's see if it fixed itself in the real preview. Go check it on your phone. Or let's switch to mobile. Yeah, and we can try again switching to mobile view here.
Yeah, it doesn't work on there.
So can you try several mobile devices in this menu? Are all of them that ugly?
Yeah, it's just the desktop version.
Any idea, Yaroslav, why these
You need
are
to-
ugly as opposed to the real mobile device?
So the desktop, the mobile view is not applied, so you need to refresh the page.
This page?
Yeah.
Refresh it?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Raji, welcome to our workshop. You came a bit late, so we're already in the middle of our session.
Yeah, that looks a little better.
Oh, now it's better. So refresh did help, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you switch to some other devices? Let's see if there is any difference.
Any of them, or
Any. So
you
this
have
is
to
the tablet
refresh.
view, right?
There you
This,
go.
this is
So you
good.
have to refresh. Yeah.
Ah, you have to refresh every time. Once you
Every
switch to
time.
another device, you refresh every time.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see, you learned how to test the look of your interface in the browser, right, Sol?
Yes.
Yeah, this one
Oh.
looks weird.
This one's weird. Yeah.
Even refresh does not help, does it?
No.
Mhm.
Mm-mm.
Is it an older version of iPhone or what?
Yes. That one's
Maybe,
older.
maybe it's not supported anymore.
I don't know why. Maybe
Oh.
it's a Wix glitch.
It's
Mm.
Wix.
Yeah.
They're doing something. That's why.
Can you go back to the editor in Wix? Can we still work with the editor?
Let's see.
Where is the editor that we were working on?
Right
Yeah,
here.
this one.
I have to close some of these.
Uh-huh. And can you switch to desktop?
Desktop.
Okay, so this one still works. If we want, we can add a section between sections. There is this button, add section.
Oh, section. Where do you want me to add it?
Like the purple section. Yeah, just add for the sake of showing that this is possible. And we're also picking a template for the section. It says, what exactly do you want to show? Like pricing or testimonial? Let's put testimonials for Dima. Testimonials. And then again, there are several templates for testimonials. Let's pick the one with the guy. Yeah. And what if we want to move this section below the headline because we originally put it in the wrong place? It is movable. It's supposed to be movable, right?
Yes. Okay.
So click on the section itself, and then there is an arrow on the right. Now the menu that appears on the right, in the right bottom corner, there is this, move section down.
Okay.
This is what we need to do.
There you
And
go.
there is testimonial. So if we want to change the picture from that guy to, let's say, Yaroslav, and change the text, we can easily do that. Okay?
Yep. Yes.
Yeah, in the remaining several minutes that we've got, I think it would be great if you can show your integration between your React application and Base Row. Can you?
I can show you a YouTube video because I have to like I have to load it and it might take time. But I can show you the YouTube.
Okay,
it has the integration in it.
Interesting. You uploaded it to your channel, right?
Yeah, yes.
Are you saying anything? Because we cannot hear.
Oh, you can't see it? No, there's no audio.
There is no
It's
audio. Okay,
no.
it's just video. Okay.
That's just the code, and there's on the right side is Base Row, and on the other side is the React app.
Okay.
Did you create some webhooks?
I think so. I'm not too familiar with React yet, so.
Did you create your React app from scratch, or did you take some existing template?
I had to put it together, and I used ChatGPT.
Nice.
Where
how exactly did you use ChatGPT?
Well, you ask ChatGPT what kind of like what you want to do, but it doesn't always give you the right answer, and you have to modify the code so it works. And sometimes it just doesn't give you the actual code that would work. So you still have to know coding in order to fix it.
So I'm sorry for interrupting you guys for a second. Raji, who joined us late into our session, is asking whether the recording will be available. And yes, Raji, we are recording this session and we will upload it and you will be able to watch it from the beginning, okay?
Okay, so that was that.
Nice. What do you guys say?
See, this line is for the API, the integration with Base Row.
Did you also ask ChatGPT how to integrate with Base Row, or did you figure it out somehow?
I had to look it up in Base Row's website.
Documentation?
They have how to link the API, but it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't always work. So you have to tinker with it.
Mm. Nice. I'm glad you figured it out.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, so we're at the end of this hour. We have 5 minutes left. I think we can meet again in a couple of weeks to see what's new. And in the meantime, Saul will try, and I will help Saul, will try to figure out Softer.
Yes.
And in a couple of weeks, we can take a look at, we can do another event and take a look at Softer and Airtable integration, which is also similar to Base Row, Airtable, very similar, right, Saul?
Yes. It's almost the same thing.
Almost the same thing, exactly.
Almost, yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's like someone just duplicated someone else. We just don't know
Yes.
who was first.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Yaroslav and Dima, for being with us. And Dima, I think at some point we will create a nice portfolio page for a website for you. What do you say? It looks like Dima disconnected. Yeah, his connection was not very good. But Yaroslav, we will tell it to Dima, right? He definitely
Yeah.
deserves a portfolio for himself.
Yeah, right.
Okay, thank you, Saul. I will stop recording right now. Where is my recording? Stop recording, yeah.